Hi guys, so our next video I am going to discuss on how to simplify expressions using the laws of exponents. Okay, let's have here some examples. Number 1, quantity of 3ab squared c raised to the power of 4. So we're going to raise each of the factors in number 1 to power of 4. So this will be equivalent to 3, the first factor, raised to the power of 4. Then a, second one, raised to the power of 4. Then the next one will be b squared, raised to the power of 4. And the last will be c to the power of 4. Now 3 to the power of 4, it is equivalent to 81. Then a to the power of 4. Then in here we're going to apply power of a power. So we're going to have b. Then multiply the exponents, 2 times 4. That will be 8. Then c to the power of 4. So our answer for number 1 is 81, a to the power of 4, b to the power of 8, c to the power of 4. Let's have number 2. Quantity of 5m squared n cubed p raised to the power of 2 or squared. So this will be applying power of a product. So this is 5 squared. Then m squared squared. Next will be n cubed squared. Then the last one will be p squared. So 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25. M squared squared, so applying power of a power, this is m to the power of 4. Then n cubed squared, that will be n to the power of 6. And last will be p squared. So for number 2, the answer is 25, m to the power of 4, n to the power of 6, p squared. Sample number 3. Quantity of 2x cubed y squared raised to the power of 4 times the quantity of 3xy cubed squared. So in here, we're going to apply first power of a product. So we're going to have here 2 to the power of 4. Then x cubed. We're going to raise this one to the power of 4. Then last, for the first expression, y squared to the power of 4. Multiplied to 3 squared. This one. Second factor is x squared. Then y cubed. Then you're going to square this one. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16. X cubed to the power of 4 is x to the power of 12. Then y squared to the power of 4 is y to the power of 8. This will be multiplied to 3 squared, 9. Then happy x squared. And y cubed squared is y to the power of 6. So 9 times 16, the answer will be 9 times 6 is 54. Then 9 times 1 is 9 plus 5, that will be 14. So 144. Then x to the power of, we are multiplying here same base. We're going to apply product of powers. We're going to add exponents. So 12 plus 2 is 14. Then y to the power of 8 times y to the power of 6, the same with x to the power of 14. We're going to add exponents. So 8 plus 6 is also 14. Number 4. Negative of quantity of w cubed x squared y to the power of 5 squared. So this will be equal to the negative of w cubed squared, then x squared squared, then last will be y to the power of 5 squared. So this is negative of w cubed squared will be w raised to the power of 6, then x squared will be x to the power of 4, then y to the power of 5 squared will be y to the power of 10. So your answer here will be negative w to the power of 6 x to the power of 4 times y to the power of 10. Number 5. So applying here power of a product, so we're going to have 2 to the power of 4, then p cubed raised to the power of 4, then q squared raised to the power of 4 over p squared cube, then q raised to the power of 3, or q cubed. 2 to the power of 4, again, it is equivalent to 16. Then this is p to the power of 12. Then last will be q to the power of 2 times 4 is 8 over, this is p to the power of 2 times 3 is 6. Then q cubed. So you have here 16 p to the power of 12 q to the power of 8 over p to the power of 6 q cubed. Then here you're going to apply quotient of powers. So we're going to have here 16 over, you're going to copy the base p, then subtract the exponent, 12 minus 6, then q, then 8 minus 3. So your answer will be 16. Then 12 minus 6 is 6, so you're going to have 16p to the power of 6. Then 8 minus 3 is 5, so you're going to have q to the power of 5. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.